Sorry guys, this is part 2 of my adding 2-digit and 3-digit video. I'm sorry, I had an inconvenience with my telephone now. So, okay. So if you're back, we are doing 10 plus 10. Okay. So 10, as you can see here, I'm not a good singer. I like to think that I am, but really, I don't know. Maybe you could sing it better. I don't know. So, okay, I tend to get off track very easily. So, if you want to pause the video sometimes and just go through it, so we'll make sure to do that. But moving on. So 10 plus 10. These are 2 digits, and we know that because we can count our numbers. We have one number right here and a second number right here. 1, 2. 2 digits. So when you add, let me scoot over here. So you will always, okay, have you heard of your tenths place and your ones place? So you got, you got hundredths place, tenths place, and ones place. H2O. Or not two. H2O. HTO. Whew. Sorry, I keep knocking myself in the lip with this. Whew. Kind of turned into a violent math video lesson. Okay. Again, this is what I'm talking about to get off track. I apologize. So H, not 2, but T, T-O. Hundredths place, tenths place, ones place. So what we're dealing with is a ones place and a tenths place. So what you want to do is you want to start off the very beginning. And you know your beginning start will be when you start with your ones place. I'll teach you more about all the different values, but for right now, for our kindergarten through first grade, we want to just kind of stick with the basics. Okay? So we know 0 plus 0 is, if you want to pause the video, figure this out, and then pause it back on. Okay, so if you're back, we have 0 plus 0, and we know that's 0. And now we have 1 plus 1 to deal with. So you want to add numbers that are stacked up on each other. But you start with your ones place. And I know you might be thinking, well, this would be the ones place because look, it's like in a vertical stance, and they're both ones place. No, ones place is where you're at the very beginning, or you could say like the very end. So now we're moving to the tenths place. So 1 plus 1 is 2. And we know that if, okay, let's switch to a new animal. So if we have, let's see, what about a little duck? A little duck. Will you look at that? Okay, so you have one duck and you have another duck. If you add your little ducklings together, you have 2 ducks. 1 plus 1 equals 2. So I want you to do this with me while you're watching this video. So, we got 1 duckling, okay? Boom. I want to see you use your hands, literally, even if it's to the screen, okay? 1 duckling, okay? 1 duckling. 1 duckling plus 1 duckling equals 2 ducklings, okay? So, 1 duckling plus 1 duckling equals 2 ducklings. Okay, I want you to even do that little movement with your fingers. It just makes it more fun. 1 duckling plus 1 duckling. We get 2 ducklings. Boom. Again, Not a good singer. Probably never will be. But we got the purpose. We got the purpose. So, oops, let me write this down real quick. So 10 plus 10 would be, ooh, that is not a good looking 2. Would equal 20. 2, 0. Again, sorry, read from this side, not this side. 20. Okay? So, 10 plus 10, you can go 10 plus 10 equals 20. Okay? Because with 20, the beginning of a 20, because 20, the digits are 2, 0. 2, 0. So we know this is 10. Again, we know this is 10. So if we want to show 20, you want to blink your 10 2 times. Because we know we had two 10s right here. 1, 2, and that got us 20. So if I asked you, how would you show me 20, the number 20 on your hands, you would blink 10, you would go like this. You would blink it 2 times because 10 plus 10 equals 20. Okay? That's how you would show it. And I'm not the best at it. Like, bear with me because I don't usually explain math to younger kids. Okay, bear with me, Harper. Yeah, so it's kind of different for me, but I'm gonna navigate this through. But yeah, that was the two digits, but I'm gonna show you 3 digits real quick. $300 plus 200, 300 plus 200. Okay, we're plussing. That's what I like to say. We're adding. So you want to start. Again, we want to start. Okay, I gotta go over the place values with you again. So let's see. Let me write them down. HTO. Not H2O. Yeah, okay. So we got hundredths place, tenths place, and ones place. So that would be our first place we would look at would be our ones. Oh, I can't write backwards. 1, our second place, and our third place. So we're gonna start with our ones because that's our first place. So 0 plus 0 is 0, okay? 0 plus 0 is 0, and 3 plus 2. Pause this video and I want you to work that out. Or, how we usually do with our hands is, if we have, what animal do we want to use? We have 3 bunnies. Little baby bunnies. Little fluffy things, okay? Little fluffy bunnies. We have 3 fluffy bunnies. And we also have 2 other 3 fluffy bunnies. So you want to put them together, okay? So then we got little rabbit ears, okay? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, that accidentally came up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. So 3 plus 2 equals 5. 1, 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 4, 5. What is my hand showing right now? It's actually showing the number 5. Okay? Just like if you were to say I'm 5 years old. So let's write that down. And no matter what on your homework, always show your work. Always show your work because they will later on in life, in junior high, high school, and later on in your elementary years, they will count you wrong if you don't show your work. So that's kind of just the gist of the matter, but thanks for watching, and sorry for the part 1, part 2. Subscribe, like, and comment down below the questions I asked previously, and thanks for watching.